Hey everyone! Today I am going to show you how to print emails without cutting off on the side in Outlook. This is a very common problem where the right side of an email gets cut off when printing. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Outlook and find the email you want to print. Click on the Outlook icon in your taskbar to open Outlook. Once Outlook is open, look for the email you want to print in your inbox. Click on the email to open it. The second thing is to open the print settings. Once the email is open, click on File at the top left corner of the screen. A menu will appear on the left side. Click on Print. The print settings page will open, showing a preview of how your email will look when printed. Look at the preview carefully. If you can see the text is being cut off on the right side, continue to the next steps to fix it. The third thing is to change the print orientation. On the Print Settings page, look for the Print Using System dialog button and click on it. A print dialog box will open. Look for the Orientation section. You will see two options: Portrait, which prints vertically, and Landscape, which prints horizontally. Click on Landscape. This gives your email more horizontal space and prevents the text from being cut off on the sides. Click Print to test if this fixes the issue. The fourth thing is to adjust the paper size. If changing the orientation did not fully fix the issue, go back to File and click on Print again. Look for the More Settings section and look for paper size. Click on the drop-down menu and change the paper size to A4 or letter depending on your printer. Click Print to test again. The fifth thing is to adjust the margins. If the email is still being cut off, go back to File and click on Print. Click on the More Settings section. Look for the Margins section, click on the drop-down button. A menu will appear. Click on Custom. Reduce the left and right margins to give more space for the email content. Set the left and right margins to 0.5 inches or lower. Click Print to test if the content now fits within the printable area of the page. The sixth thing is to use the Scale to Fit option. Go back to File and click on Print. Click on the More Settings section. Look for the Scale option or the Fit to Page. Check the box next to Fit to Page or Scale to Fit. This will automatically shrink the email content to fit within the printable area of the page. Click Print to confirm the email now prints without any content being cut off. Finally, if the email is still being cut off, try printing from your browser instead. Open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Find and open the email you want to print. Press Ctrl and P on your keyboard to open the print dialog. In the print settings, click on More Settings, look for the Scale option. Click on the drop-down button, a menu will appear, click on Custom. Change the scale from 100% to 80% or lower until the content fits within the page. Click Save to print the email without any content being cut off. That is all there is to it. By adjusting the orientation, paper size, margins, and scale settings, you can easily print emails in Outlook without any content being cut off on the sides. If this tutorial helped you out, please like and subscribe for more easy Outlook tutorials. See you in the next one.